When I started budgeting, it wasn't just about saving money. It was about unlocking my goals, something that made me feel like I had control over my future. Now, I'm not just talking about the typical save 10% of your income advice you hear everywhere. I'm talking about how budgeting became the key to getting everything I've ever wanted, from building wealth to traveling the world. And trust me, this isn't the stuff you see in affiliate marketing videos that push products for commissions. I'm sharing real insights with you today. A lot of people think budgeting is a drag, right? It sounds boring and restrictive. But what if I told you it's actually the most freeing thing you can do? It's not about limiting yourself. It's about giving yourself the financial power to say yes to what matters most. Let me tell you how I use budgeting to unlock my goals and why it can do the same for you. The first reason budgeting is so important is because it turns your financial chaos into clarity. Think about it. If you don't know where your money's going, you have no control over it. Imagine trying to get to a destination, but you have no map. That's what life's like when you're not tracking your finances. But when you budget, you create a map. You can see where you're wasting money and where you should be investing it. The best part? You can see progress, and that's motivating. It makes your goals feel attainable, not distant dreams. Another huge advantage of budgeting is that it helps you prioritize your goals. If you're like most people, you probably have a list of things you want to do. Buy a house, start a business, travel, or even retire early. But without budgeting, those dreams stay just that, dreams. Budgeting helps you identify which goals should get your financial attention first. You can take one step at a time, ensuring you're working towards what truly matters. It's like a step-by-step plan to build your dream life. Now, here's a secret I want to share that not many people talk about. Budgeting can actually create opportunities, and not just the typical save more money opportunities. The opportunities to say yes when it counts. For instance, when I needed to invest in myself to grow my career, I had the cash to do it. It wasn't a last-minute scramble or cutting corners. I could confidently make decisions that pushed me forward because budgeting freed up the resources I needed to take action. Here's the thing. The most important part of budgeting is consistency. It's not about being perfect with every dollar you spend. It's about making sure your financial actions align with your bigger picture. If you're consistent with your budgeting, it becomes second nature. And as you start hitting milestones, you'll realize just how much your budgeting efforts are paying off. But I'm not saying it's always easy. There will be months where it feels tough. And that's okay. The key is to stay committed. If you keep tweaking your budget and stay on track, you'll start noticing results that can change your entire life. So, if you're ready to unlock your goals, take control of your finances, and start living the life you've always dreamed of, start budgeting today. I promise you, it's not as hard as it sounds, but you have to commit to it. Keep the goal in mind and use your budget as a tool to get there. If you found value in this video and want more content that's not backed by hidden incentives or affiliate commissions, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you're supporting content that focuses purely on helping you, not selling you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. G.